Welcome back to Learning Buddy. Let's talk about active and passive voice. Number 1, this surprises me. This sentence is in active voice. The subject of the sentence is this, the verb is surprises, and the object is me. To change this sentence from active to passive voice, we have to identify the object of the active sentence and make it the subject of the new sentence and use the form of the verb to be or the helping verb, which will be followed by the past participle of the main verb. Remember the format: subject, helping verb plus past participle. Now we have an exception. When you see the words has, have, and had plus past participle, definitely the voice of the verb is in active, or the voice is active and not passive. Basic rule: HV plus past participle for passive. Is it A, B, or C? Which is the correct choice for this sentence? You have a clue in this sentence. The word surprises. The tense of this verb is present simple as form. Is it am surprised, would have been surprised, or will be surprised? Since the tense of the verb is present simple, we will not be answering letter C. For this helping verb, the modal verb will is used in future tenses. Now let's take a look at choice B. Is this the answer? The word been tells us that the action was completed in the past. The tense of letter B is past conditional. The answer is letter A. Am surprised. I am surprised by this. Remember the clue: present. Am is present, which should be followed by the past participle of the main verb surprise. I am surprised by this. Let's proceed to number 2. Your letter blank yesterday. Is this sentence active or passive? We have a clue to answer this sentence. Who or which is the doer of the action in this sentence? Of course, the subject. The letter. Letter is the subject of the sentence. It is singular, and it is an inanimate object, or in this sentence, the subject of the sentence that did the action. So it did the action, or it did action in the sentence. We have a clue, the word yesterday, that tells us that the action done by the subject of the sentence was completed in the past. We will not be answering letter C, for the word has is present tense, and the tense of has arrived is called present perfect. We will not be answering that. We cannot use the word yesterday with present perfect because the word yesterday is a definite time indicator for completed actions. Is it A or B? We will not be answering was arrived, for this tells that the voice of the verb is passive. As what I've said, the voice of the verb is active. So we cannot say your letter was arrived yesterday. Instead, your letter arrived yesterday. This sentence may sound inanimated, and yes, it is. It's personification. Number 3, each application blank carefully by the selection committee. Is it A, has been examined, B, will be examined, or C, were examined? Which is the answer? Your clue in this sentence is the phrase by the selection committee. It means that the voice of the verb is passive. When it's passive, what we're looking for is the combination of helping verb plus the past participle of the verb. And in this case, helping verbs and past participles are provided well. These choices can be used in this sentence. But for us to have one particular answer, I will be giving the tense of which I'm looking for, so that we'll have a definite answer for this question or item. Let's have present perfect. Is it A, B, or C? Share in the comments.